Hello friends, welcome to Score with Deepti classes. Today we discuss about radical problem. Today we have radical problem, that is square root under 2 plus square root 3 minus square root 4 plus square root 5 plus square root 17 minus 4 square root 15. In this radical problem, radical is given 3 times. Means this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. Means first we have to solve this radical problem. After then we have to solve this radical problem putting the value of this radical, and then last we have to solve this radical problem after putting the value of this radical. Now this is our first term, this is second and this is third. Let's start solution of this question. In this question, first we have to solve this radical problem. We have to start this question from this part. Means we have to solve first square root 17 minus 4 square root 15. Clear? Next, our next step is we have to write in place of 17 12 plus 5 minus in place of 4 and square root 15. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and square root 15 we can write in place of square root 15 5 times 3. Means here we will write 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. We have to write here 3 into 5. Next, our next step is separation. Means we have to separate these and this. Now first we have to write square root 12 plus 5 minus 2 into square root 3 into square root 5. Next, we have to try this as 2 into a into b. Means we have to take 2 square root 3 as a and square root 5 as b. We have to take 2 square root 3 as a and a square equal to, taking square in both sides, we get 2 square root 3 whole square. Means if we solve this, we get 2 to the 4 into 3 a square. Means 12 equal to a square. Here 12 is a square. 12 is a square. Next we have to take square root 5. Square root 5 as b. Taking square in both sides, we get square root 5 whole square equal to b square. If we solve this, we get 5. Square cancel with square root, we get 5 as b square. Means this 5 is b square. Here we get a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is equal to a minus b whole square. Means first we have to write in place of 12 we have to write 2 square root 3 square. 2 square root 3 whole square plus in place of 5 we will write square root 5, this one. We have to write this one in place of a square and b square. This question is very simple. First we have to find the value of a and b. First we find the value of a and b, then taking square we get value of a square and b square. Next, this is a square, this is b square minus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b whole square. Next, this is a square and this is b square minus 2 into a into b. Means this can be written as a minus b whole square, where a is 2 square root 3 minus and b is square root 5 whole square. Next, this square cancel with this square root and here we get 2 square root 3 minus square root 5 This is answer of first term. Now we have to find the value of this term. First we have to write square root 4 plus square root 5 plus square root 17 minus 4 square root 15. Next, in place of this, we have already find the value of this term and we get, here we have to write 4 square root 5, 4 plus square root 5 plus 2 square root 3 minus square root 5. Next we have to solve this one cancel and we get square root 4 plus 2 square root 3. Next again we try to make as, now we can write it as 3 plus 1 in place of 4 and 2 square root 3. 2 square root 3 can be written as 2 into square root 3 into 1. Means here we get 2 into a into b. Now we find the value of a square. A is equal to square root 3 and a square equal to a square. Value of a square equal to square root 3 whole square. If we solve this and get 3, means in place of this we have to write square root 3 whole square plus 1, b equal to 1. We have to take b equal to 1 and b square equal to 1 square. Means in place of this we have to write 1 square plus 2 into square root 3 into 1. Next here we get a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square, where a is square root 3 and b is 1, which is in square root. Now we cancel out this and get square root 3 plus 1. This is answer of second term. Next we have to solve this third term, last term. First we have to write this term, third term, that is square root 2 plus square root 3 minus square root 4 plus square root 5 plus square root 17 minus 4 square root 5. Next in place of this we have to write, we have already solved this and get square root 3 plus 1. Now we put square root 2 plus square root 3 minus square root 3 plus 1. Here we put bracket if there is minus sign. Next we solve this and get square root 2 plus square root 3 minus square root 3 minus 1. Next this one cancel and we get 2 minus 1, 1 and square root 1 is equal to 1. This is answer of this question. I hope you clear this question. If you clear this question, then like the video. Also subscribe the channel if you new in this channel.